If you have done dashboard templates or financial modeling, you know always you have to use protect sheet option in Excel to protect your formulas and the details. But when you have to edit something, you always have to protect and unprotect sheet. But with the macro, it is very easy. First, as normally, you can lock or unlock the cells with the properties. Then you go to macros tab. There you press protect all sheets. Then type the password you want. If you do not want to put any password, keep it empty. Then press OK. Now all the sheet got password protected. Not only that, if you want to unlock all the sheets at once, you can press the down arrow button in here and select unprotect all the sheets. Then type the password to unprotect sheet and press OK. Now all the sheet with that password got unprotected. Now protect and unprotect all the sheets are very easy. Okay.